Hello students, welcome to this video series of subject microprocessor. So we are in the fifth unit, that is procedure and micro, and today's our topic is to study near and far procedure, as well as we have to study the call and return instruction which we will use in our procedures. Course outcome includes develop assembly language program using procedures, micros and modular programming approach. So coming to the learning outcomes, in this video we will see about what are near procedure and far procedure, uh, and we will also see the difference between the near procedure and far procedure. Similarly, we have to see the call and the return statements which are used when we use the procedures. POs mapped are PO1, PO4, PO6 and PO7. So coming to the near procedure, as we all know, also we have studied this in the previous video. What is a procedure? Procedure is used to perform the repetitive task again and again and again. So we will write that procedure only single time and we will call it number of times for performing the same task. So we can classify it into a near procedure or far procedure. So this we will see this. A near procedure is a procedure which is present in the same code segment. As we all know, we also call the procedure as a subprogram. So this subprogram in which the procedure is placed in the same code segment as the main program. That type of procedure is called as near procedure. That means the main program and the subprogram, that is our procedure, will be placed inside the same memory segment. That type of procedures are called as near procedures. Are you getting it? When the main program and the subprogram is nothing but our procedure, is placed inside the same memory segment, that type of procedure is called as near procedure. But in case where the main program is in different memory segment and the procedure is in different memory segment, then we will call that procedure as far procedure. So in near procedure or in near call, the contents of the stack pointer are decremented by 2 and the content of the IP address is stored. The contents of the code segment is not stored. Example is call delay. So near procedure, in case of near procedure, the contents of the stack pointer will be decremented by 2 and the content of the offset IP is stored. Now coming to far procedure. A far procedure is a procedure which is present in the different code segment. That is, the main program is present in different segment and our procedure is placed in different segment. This type of procedures are called as far procedure. So in case of far call, the stack pointer is decremented by 2 and the content of the CS is loaded. So this part is not very much important, so we can skip that. So now coming to the difference between near procedure and far procedure. So the first obvious is near procedure is placed in the same segment as the main program. Far procedure is placed in different segment than the main program. So the where the execution time will be less in case of near procedure, execution time will be more in case of far procedure because it is placed in the different memory segment. The contents of the CS is also stored along with the offset in far procedure. The contents of the CS is not stored in case of near procedure. And then we have given the examples. So now next the main part is whatever we are writing, that is whatever procedure we are writing, whether it is near, far or reentrant or recursive, we have to call that procedure from the main program, and after the execution of that particular procedure we have returned to the main program. Getting it? Because the procedure is also called as subprogram, so when we have when we have to call the particular procedure, we have to call that procedure by procedure name. So whenever we will call it, it will jump to the procedure, go to the procedure memory address, and when the set of statements inside the procedures execution is completed, then it will return to the main program. So for this there are specialized instruction, that is call instruction and return instruction. Call is used to call the procedure and return is used to return from the procedure to the main program. So call is used to transfer the execution to a subprogram or a procedure by storing the return address on stack. There are two types of calls, near call and far call. Near call is also called as inter-segment, and far call is also called as intra-segment call. Near call refers to a procedure which is in the same code segment as the call instruction. That means whenever the main program and the subprogram, that is our procedure, is placed inside the same memory segment, then we will use near call. When the main program and subprogram are placed in different memory segments, at that time we will use far call. To call that procedure, we will use far call. In case of the procedure which is placed in the same memory segment, that of main program, we will use near call. So near call and far call, why these calls are used? To call the particular procedure, that is to transfer the flow of the program from main to sub program, that is our procedure. So syntax is call, procedure, name. The return is simpler one. When the all the execution inside the procedure is completed, we will return to the main program with the help of RET, that is return instruction. So again, near return and far return. Near return means within the same segment, and far return means in different segments. So near call is what? Near call is a call to a procedure which is in the same code segment. A far call is a call to a procedure which is in the different segment. Contents of CS is not stored in near. Contents of CS is stored in far. In near call, contents of SP, that is stack pointer, is decremented by 2, and the contents of IP offset is also stored. In case of far call, the contents are decremented by 2 and the value of the CS is loaded. An example we have taken, call delay. Delay is the procedure name, and here call for PTR delay. So we have learned today about what is near and far procedure. That is, also we have seen the difference between the near and far procedure. Similarly, we have done with the call and return instructions. So thanks for watching the video. In the next part, we will see the next topic.